Two ways to switch between front and back camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this 4 dot icon. So after click on this 4 dot icon, click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see swipe preview ups and down to you will see switch camera. Go back. So first way is you will see front camera, back camera. So you will see swipe up and open front camera. So swipe up, open back camera. So second way is click on this icon, you will see back camera is on. So again click on this icon, you will see front camera is on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can two ways to switch between front and back camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.